Good day, everyone. Have you ever wondered on how we should properly take care of our reproductive system? If you already did, then you're in luck. But first, let me introduce myself and my groupmates. I am Timothy Rivera. My groupmates are Hannah Lau and Jean Asherda, who prepared this presentation for us today. Question number 1. Why is the reproductive system important? Our reproductive system plays a vital role not only in human reproduction, but also maintaining hormonal balance, emotional well-being, and overall health. Yet, it's often overlooked in daily self-care routines. Whether you're a teenager learning about your body, an adult navigating relationships, or someone simply wanting to stay healthy, understanding how to take care of your reproductive system is a powerful step toward self-awareness and well-being. But let me ask you this. What are the key roles for you to do in order to take care of your reproductive system properly? First up, we have hygiene and cleanliness. These are essential for keeping your reproductive system healthy. Clean your private parts every day using warm water and mild, unscented soap. Avoid using strong perfumer sprays, especially inside the vagina, as they can cause irritation or infections. After using the toilet, always wipe from front to back to prevent bacteria from spreading. During your period, change pads or tampons every 2 to 4 hours and wear breathable underwear like cotton to keep the area dry and comfortable. For key point number 2, we have to eat the right foods. This supports your reproductive organs and hormones. Iron-rich foods like spinach, beans, and lean meats are especially helpful if you menstruate. Omega-3 fats from fish or seeds help balance hormones. Vitamins like folate, zinc, and vitamin E support egg and sperm health. Drinking enough water and cutting back on junk food, sugary drinks, and alcohol also help your body stay in balance. For the third key point, physical activity or movement cells. This keeps your system strong. Regular exercise improves blood flow to your reproductive organs and helps regulate hormones. Walking, dancing, yoga, or even stretching at home can make a big difference. Pelvic floor exercises like Kegels are great for improving sexual health and strengthening the muscles that support your uterus, bladder, bowels, and other organs. Fourth key point. Mental health plays a big role. As stress can affect your period, your hormones, and even your fertility. Taking care of your mind is just as important as caring for your body. When you're stressed, your body can produce hormones that throw off your cycle or lower your libido. Libido is a word that means your natural desire for sexual activity, or also called as sex drive. Try deep breathing, journaling, meditation, or just taking quiet time for yourself. Getting enough sleep, about 7 to 9 hours a night, also helps your body rest and reset. For our fifth key point, safe and respectful intimacy is key. If you're sexually active, use protection like condoms to prevent infections and unplanned pregnancy. Talk openly with your partner about health, boundaries, and comfort. You deserve to feel safe, respectfully, and most importantly in control of your own choices. Get tested for STIs or sexually transmitted infections regularly. Even if you feel fine, some infections don't show even if you feel fine, some infections don't show symptoms. Regular medical checkups help you stay healthy and catch problems early. For women, this might include pap smears, usually women, to check for early signs of cervical cancer, pelvic exams, and breast checks. For men, testicular exams and prostate screenings. checks the health of the prostate gland, which helps make semen, are important, especially as they get older. After discussing our 5 main key points, always remember, taking care of your reproductive system is about more than just avoiding illness. It's about respecting your body and giving it what it needs to thrive. Clean gently, eat nourishing foods, move your body, protect yourself, and listen when something feels off. That is all for today, and that is how you properly take care of your reproductive system. Once again, my name is Timothy Rivera, and my group mates are Jean Asherda and Hannah Lau. Thank you and mabuhay.